Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas, and it is May the 18th on a Thursday. Decent move yesterday in both the SPY and the Q. Still in our range here in the SPY and seeing a little bit of a gap down today. I wouldn't be surprised to see some back and forth kind of narrow range action, but am seeing some opportunity out there for some nice setups. Let's take a look. Pullback alert on this Aqua. Okay, what I'm liking here is after earnings had some good move higher. It's pulled back now, getting oversold and trying to bounce at the 50. This is one, you could play early or you can wait for it to get back above that 50 level. I kind of like to take a chance and just have a tight stop if it breaks that 50. Uh, Shop, I think you got to take a look at Shop, another pullback candidate. I'm setting alert here at this 3-day high. If it gets back above that in Shop, could be a nice play there. MU is one that I actually bought yesterday. Got a bit of some good news in after hours, gapping up, but I'm loving this pivot level. Take a look at this pivot level here. Huge pivot level around let's call it the 66 20 level. But if you can get above that, it could be off to the races. And let's see, there's another one. Did I go over Goose? Goose is an earnings play, and it is kind of gapping up 11%. That's a tough one, but I tell you, if it can hold this level right here, not a whole lot of resistance, up to this 24.75 level. I normally don't like to chase, big gaps like this, but one to keep an eye on. All right, I'm not sure if I talked about Trex, but there's another one you can watch for a pullback. All right, guys, have a good one. There's some other ones on here. Keep an eye on them, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.